Let's talk about something else that some people consider insane, and that's Tesla's stock price. It delivered better than expected results for the fourth quarter of 2019. The electric car maker beat on both revenue and earnings per share. It also said it's going to build more than 500,000 vehicles globally this year. That's after Elon Musk hit his goal of selling between 360,000 and 400,000 vehicles in 2019. Those shares are indeed higher today. I also want to mention free cash flow. That is an important metric that people watch very closely. That hit $1 billion for the first time. We had a very spirited, shall we say, bull-bear debate yesterday on Tesla, with one analyst saying the free cash flow numbers are not what they seem. And even if they do well, it's not going to be sustainable. But it's...
Well, could I throw out this question?
Yeah.
Why would you buy, if you're buying this stock today, what is it, 640? 630. Yeah. You're buying it today at 636. You're betting you're going to be able to sell it for more in the future. Just a reminder, Amazon invested big time in Rivian, which is going to start delivering electric SUVs and trucks. Amazon has an order for 100,000 in the next 10 months. And their Ford and VW have a electric partnership, and those companies already are much larger. So why are people willing to pay $636 today for Tesla, looking at what's coming at them?
I find that pretty interesting. I think it's mostly, again, we talk about Tesla as a car company, but it's really the technology behind it. And that's really what they have going for them, is the batteries, is the ability to work with solar, to work with energy storage. That's going to be huge going forward. When we start really going towards renewables, you need a place to store those, and those batteries are going to be important. Tesla has that kind of technology.
I mean, it's also the cool factor and the hype factor.
Oh,
right?
yeah. I mean,
and Julian, without asking you about Tesla specifically, you said earlier that you want to own growth stocks, right? But when does growth become momentum and become unreasonable? At what point?
Well, this specifically is momentum.
Right.
The largest market cap stock in the world right now, which shall remain nameless, but is a computer and a phone maker, is momentum. When you have those kinds of price move, they are momentum. That having been said, there is a great deal of loyalty with the companies that make products like that. People that drive those cars love those cars.
My brother.
Love them.
Two of them already.
Yeah. Right. Now, is that enough to, say that the stock can advance threefold in the last 6 or 7 months?
Right. Doubled over the past 3 months.
So you really need to be very careful when you get runaway moves like this. And, for us, it is a time for patience. Maybe you want to hold what you've got, but you probably really want to think twice about adding to positions.
Yeah, I mean, these companies, Apple and Tesla, they're revolutions, right? They're not just companies making products. They've changed our lives. And when you talk about other companies getting in, I mean, people have been talking about number two. They're catching up to Tesla forever. And I think the gap has even widened. I have no idea about the stock price. I'm a big believer in the product. I think it's really cool. Love it. Great. They've got an ecosystem. They're totally differentiated from other companies.
What other company has managed to make electric cars cool? Nissan's been trying to do it.
Right.
Ford's got Rivian, sure, but and they have that Mach-E. I don't think it's going to be anywhere near what Tesla can do.
GM back in the 90s, what was that called? The thing that
who
killed that car? The Probe.
The
It was the Probe.
The electric car. There was a documentary film about that. Remember that?
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.